The recently launched 2022 edition Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 is a hardcore gaming laptop, but that is to be expected from the Rog products. 2022 variant of the Zephyrus M16 takes it up a notch with a 16-inch beautiful display in a 15-inch chassis, new powerful multi-core processors and the latest mobile GPUs from Nvidia. So we have an opportunity to experience this laptop. So here in this video I am going to show you a short review of this laptop. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section, did you like this laptop or not? Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Starting with the design, when you unbox the 2022 Asus Rog Zephyrus M16, you get a matte black laptop that doesn't really show its gaming heritage. When you open the lid, the sober design continues. The keyboard deck is again matte black with a rubberized feel, and I like that rubberized feel. The minimalistic design means the 2022 Zephyrus M16 can easily fit in a corporate environment. The design is quite simple, which would surely attract a lot of users who need high-performance laptop for creative workflows or people who want a subtle gaming device. The 2022 Zephyrus M16 comes with a 180-degree hinge that allows for folding the display flat 180 degrees. The hinge also lifts the bottom end of the device a bit, aiding in airflow and giving the keyboard an angle, making it easier to type. The keyboard is nicely designed, although there are no numpad keys or extra function keys on either side because you get two front-firing speakers on either side of the keyboard. If you ask me how are the speakers are amazing. I have never seen such a loud and clear sound quality in a laptop before. The sound quality of the speaker is amazing for a laptop like this. The sound output is much fuller and the bass can also be felt from these Dolby Atmos certified speakers. The trackpad is big, all glass and comes with the Windows precision drivers. The trackpad is accurate and responsive and feels plush to use. Coming to the display, the 2022 Zephyrus M16 comes with a 16-inch 2560x1600 display with a 16:10 display panel that gets a 165Hz refresh rate with a 3 millisecond response time, making it a great for gaming, and 100% DCI P3 colors with a Pantone validation makes it great for creative usage as well. The display panel also conforms to ROG's internal standard, ROG Nebula display. The display panel can also get bright, and we mean very bright, with a 500 nits of brightness. Coming to the ports and connectivity, the Zephyrus M16 comes with a full-size HDMI 2.0 port, 2x USB Type-A, 2x USB Type-C ports, RJ45 LAN port and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also offers a DisplayPort 1.4 on Thunderbolt 4 port, and the other USB Type-C ports enables the user to connect to 4K or one 8K monitor. Coming to the performance, before we get into the performance, let's talk about its processor. It comes with an Intel Core i9 12th generation processor with a 12900H series, an Intel Alder Lake 12th generation processor that comes with a 14 cores and 20 threads, 32GB of DDR5 RAM and 1TB of PCIe Generation 4 storage. That is amazing specification. It also comes with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 Ti with 8GB of RAM and Iris Xe iGPU integrated within the Intel processor that will handle the graphics department. Heat management though is done well, while you can feel the heat outside the machine. Internally, Asus has done a great job with the thermal management. Arc Pro fans, heat pipes along with the thermal grizzlies liquid metal paste to keep the temperature in check. Coming to the most important feature of a gaming laptop, that is its battery life. A 90 watt-hour battery lives inside the 2022 Zephyrus M16 and the battery life is above average. Of course, all this power-hungry hardware drains the battery quickly, but you can easily expect over 8 hours of battery life on normal usage, and on gaming you can expect a battery life of 3 to 4 hours. The 2022 Asus Rog Zephyrus M16 was launched in the month of April 2022, and in India it will cost you around 1,80,000 Indian rupees, and in the international market it will cost you somewhere around $2,000 to $2,500. Coming to the conclusion, as far as gaming laptops are concerned, the 2022 edition M16 is not flashy and doesn't raise any eyebrows in a work environment. It's a wolf in a sheep's clothing. The powerful internals and the fans make it pretty clear that the M16 means business. Beautiful and accurate screen, all black minimalistic design, and the micro SD card slot mean the M16 could work well for the content creators, and great thermal management with the latest hardware will keep the gamers at peace. So this is what I experienced with this laptop. At last I want to play some sound and the video for you so that you can judge its display quality and the sound quality by yourself. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.